Hi Fred, I just want to do a bit of a recap on the working of the Oldham type pump. I possibly didn't look at this in as much detail for you as what I should have done. So this is in the Calthorpe it would be the drum. In the Raleigh it's the rotor. It's obviously called the rotor because when it's in the pump body itself, it's meant to rotate. It rotates. But you know, Calthorpe call it a drum. But anyway, there it is. Now to explain on, they've got the piston. Well, what the plunger? This is the plunger what I showed you before, and that goes into the drum like so, and it's allowed to float. At the moment it's allowed to float easily from one side to the other. What I possibly didn't explain to you, this drum, let me just rotate it around for you. You can see that it's got a slot on this side and a slot, so it's got two slots each, and each end of the piston can be, or the plunger can be seen going backwards and forwards. And then you turn it round, there's another slot, two separate slots. This bit here and this bit here separate the two, so it's like got two chambers. And when it rotates, as it's rotating, one chamber, say the piston is going this way, you see the end of the piston coming. It don't go that far really, but as it's travelling in that direction, it's actually filling this chamber or drawing oil into this particular chamber, and at the same time causing oil to exit this chamber into the supply to the engine. That's the feed to the engine. So effectively it's like a twin cylinder, as I think I tried to explain to you before. So as it's rotating round, this piston is moving steadily all the time. It's moving backwards and forwards as this rotates. As it rotates round, this piston, the piston in it, is moving all the time steadily. And with this being let's turn this round. I'll take the cam out so that this can sit flat. Right, so that can rotate easily. And every time it rotates, that piston inside, you can just see the end of it, the top of it there, is going backwards and forwards steadily. And every time it goes backwards and forwards, it draws oil into one side, and then as it moves round, the piston's moving all the time, and piston's moving that way, and that's forcing oil out into the delivery side of the pump. So that's how it works. I hope that makes it a bit easier for you to understand. Anyway, let me know if you're still having difficulty with understanding, and I can try and explain a bit more for you. Okay, Fred. Speak to you later.